It's back, and it's not just a tribute. The 2026 Honda VFR750R revives one of the most legendary names in sportbike history, and somehow, it lives up to the legacy. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest machines with clarity and zero fluff. Today, we're diving into the return of a true icon, the new VFR750R. Design. From the first glance, Honda nailed the styling. The 2026 VFR750R blends modern sharpness with unmistakable cues from the original RC30. The single-sided swing arm? It's here. The sculpted fairings? Spot on. Even the paint scheme pays homage without feeling retro. It's lean, aggressive, and distinctly Honda. And yet, it looks ready to ride, not just sit in a collector's garage. Performance. Powering the VFR is a brand new 749 cubic centimeters V4 engine, high-revving, buttery smooth, and packed with character. It puts down around 120 horsepower, which sounds tame until you feel how fast it builds power. The sound? Pure V4 music. Handling is razor-sharp, thanks to a lightweight frame and fully adjustable Alene suspension. It's track-capable, but surprisingly street-friendly. Features and technology. Honda didn't just bring back a classic, they modernized it smartly. You get a full-color TFT dash, multiple ride modes, cornering ABS, quick shifter, and lean-sensitive traction control. There's also a special RC mode that dials everything up for track days. It's tech-savvy but not overdone, it still feels like a rider's bike, not a computer on wheels. Conclusion. The 2026 VFR750R isn't just a reboot, it's a respectful evolution of a legend. But is it worth the hype and the premium price? Let us know what you think in the comments. Would you ride it or collect it? If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow riders, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more no-nonsense takes on the latest machines. Ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.